I told you once, I told you twice, I cannot eat turkey joy.
Oh, I'm sorry, that's what we got.
Why?
Because it is.
What is it from?
Snack Crate.
Why is Snack Crate sending us turkey?
Because it's the country that they chose.
It's country.
Or continent, whatever it is, I don't know.
Do you know how continent works?
No! Okay?
Oh, the box actually says turkey. You want those health facts?
No, I prefer the paper next to you. Oh, jeez, careful!
That's a lot.
Alright, let's see what we got here.
What is this? Yeah. Oh, look at that. That looks pretty cool. Look at that. Hang on. These people need to see this.
Hey, ooh, okay, that might not be good.
This thing comes like that. Take note, little Debbie. Make things like this. Here. That's actually like a little cookie. It almost looks like an Oreo cookie in there. Look at that.
I see that. I say we tried that.
This looks like a whole separate video. You got ketchup and mayo.
Ketchup and mayonnaise. And taco.
Taco. Pizza.
Mm-hmm. Alright, what do you want to try first?
I want to be stereotypical for a minute. Let's do every person that's like me's favorite snack in the whole wide world watermelon.
Alright, you want to do... I'm Mr. Crocodile. I cannot pronounce what it is. It just says something Mr.
Oh,
Crocodile.
thank God you said the name because I was thinking it said cracker.
It said crocodile.
You look at that on there and you tell me that you see crocodile.
What the heck?
You see what I'm saying?
I think I read the wrong one is what I'm thinking of here. Because right there is a crocodile.
That was like it says cracker. I'm afraid to show the camera. Oh wow, that made me drool.
I cannot pronounce it either now, just looking at it. Get down, you're pulling up! I can't do it. Oh my gosh.
It's almost like baseball. This would be great for if you're playing baseball.
Mm-hmm.
Skittles would probably be a bad one to have in the field.
Toffee.
What was that?
I have no clue. What is doing that?
Was that all the lights that just did that?
I think so. Alright, next one.
Should we stop?
We need to get it done. Let's go.
But what if the power goes out?
That's what I'm saying. Let's get this finished.
Okay, pizza! Uh-oh. I'm reading something here. It says,
Yeah, no.
not a product of this country.
Mm-hmm.
So we're going to toss that one off to the side. It's Cheetos. Those are actually pretty good.
Mm-hmm. We can still try it.
We've had them before. It was in a whole nother thing. It says it's not even a part of the country. It came from the United States. Here, I'm going to show you guys.
The Turkish spin on the American classic, but these bites featured a bold, cheesy flavor you know and love with an extra snackable shape.
It says that. It says this product is not a product of an original, but by the United States Raymark.
Alright, we won't have to.
Owner for...
Yeah. Next one.
It is gummy.
Got rainbow gummy ribbons.
I haven't heard of thunder, have you?
I have not. What? Yeah, there's purple in this rainbow. And pink.
It doesn't say anywhere on it. There's a rainbow. On there it says rainbow. On this package it does not say rainbow.
No, it's not even sour.
No, it's very sweet though. So which one are we doing? Ketchup and mayo?
Taco!
Taco. Just to give you guys what the other one looks like, it's right here.
And then we'll try the ketchup and mayo. Ooh.
Y'all just took Taco Bell and stuck it in a steak.
Alright, let's get the...
And I'm not saying that to be stereotypical. That literally just tastes like Taco Bell seasoning.
It does.
Maybe I'm wrong on how I look at it, but at the same time, that tastes like Taco Bell, man. Or one, or whatever you are watching this video right now. I've offended our viewers. Are we trying that one too?
Yeah, they're both on here.
Separately?
Yeah, there's a taco and then there's this one.
That tastes like mayo. What's up with y'all white people loving mayonnaise so much? Don't give me that look.
They got ketchup, but I can't tell.
Did they really separate? Yeah, they did.
Alright, next one.
Look at this. It's this little cookie thing.
Crunchy vanilla biscuit, topped with a creamy marshmallow and covered with sprinkles.
Trying to get it out so it's what is it?
I cannot pronounce what it is.
That's a marshmallow.
I just said marshmallow.
Well, I'm sorry, but I wasn't paying attention because I like the adventure. Got a lot of guys out there would be like, you know what? I don't try something because I think it's fun. I try something to see if it's deadly.
Even though you're deadly yourself.
Right,
There you go.
hey, be on my good side. That's why you got to marry me.
Yep.
Or the other way around, however you want to look
Is
at
that
it.
resealable?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
That's why I'm looking at it like this is medicine. So. They're kind of in the shape of Skittles. And the reason why I say Skittles is because it's got like mango. It's got like fruits and what are those veggies?
Lemon. And I cannot pronounce the other ones.
I can't tell you what this is. This is like a skill. A very bad one. Oh, yeah.
What color did you get?
I don't know. That's poison! That's fish tail. Oh, God. I almost want to stick them in a bag of Skittles just to see what they do. Here you go. Thanks. Ah! that tastes nasty. Well, actually, our son was eating sour Skittles earlier, and
Oh, what was that?
he
That's a
just
purple
kept on.
one.
He kept on looking at me like, I don't know if I like this or not. Well, if you have a problem with it, put it down.
Here, let's do Mr. Crocodile.
I'm thinking of like a crocodile singing and dancing or something. Oh wait, he's in a suit too. Holy shit. When you say Mr. Crocodile, I'm thinking...
And it's even a crocodile.
Here. Give me that thing.
It's a crocodile. Oh, that is so cute.
Mr. Crocodile, I'm thinking of someone singing and dancing. Hello, my lady. Hello, my...
It's an actual crocodile. Here you go.
Has anybody had those sharks? This is just what... Wait, is that really just only one? Is that how they sell it there? Oh my god. We get a whole bag of sharks. You get sick of them after the first 3.
Not bad.
I wonder how inflation works over there.
Coffee, 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 coffee. Coffee.
Are these from there?
Mm-hmm.
You got a fact about them?
Need a pick me up? Don't. Need a pick me up, but don't have time to hit Starbucks. These delightful mocha flavored hard candies are bursting with coffee cream filling. It's funny how they say you don't have the time to hit Starbucks.
Does it really say Starbucks?
Yeah.
I thought you made that up on the spot. I ain't gonna
Really?
lie, I really thought that was. I was like, this is the funniest you've been. Oh, someone wrote that down for you. Yeah, that's definitely coffee.
Mm-hmm.
When does it kick in?
I don't know, but it should look right there.
Is there caffeine in it?
Mm-hmm.
Should we be concerned? Should we be concerned about that? Are you drinking coffee too? They're not responding.
I know.
Are you drinking coffee too? Get back in your room. It's bedtime.
That's enough coffee flavor for me.
ETI. What's the ETI stand for?
I don't know.
It's gonna have bananas in it. I'll drink my coffee in the morning when it's hot. Oh, there's 2 of them that say ETI. And then you got 2 of them that say I'm gonna butcher that.
Banana.
Euchre?
I don't know. Banana.
Euchre?
Banana.
There ain't no minion on it. So stop it with the banana.
It says banana!
You and your sister irritated the hell out of me after that movie came out. And you guys went marching around our apartment.
Banana.
Yeah. For the next, what, 3 hours?
Yeah. We were bored. We had nothing else to do. And we just got done watching Minions, so we went around yelling banana. Banana.
I wanted to, like, literally jump off the balcony.
Banana.
You eat the whole damn thing.
I'm good.
Next one. Biden. I don't know what it says. What does it say? I know that Biden's name has B-I something, and it's just my brain. If you are,
Hey, I don't see that. Oh, there it is.
if you are autistic or not autistic,
It's a wafer.
if you have ADHD and dyslexia, your brain works like that.
It's
You
a
see-
wafer.
You see letters that you recognize, you just put it 2 and 2. I don't know what that says.
I don't know either. All I know, it's a wafer.
That coffee's getting to you, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a good thing though. That's feeling very, very sleepy.
I fell asleep on the couch.
Yeah, lucky you.
Hey, you work all day.
You deal with 4 monsters all day.
I have.
Or I should say, all night, all day and all night.
No, that's not for me. That's not my cup of tea.
You sure?
No.
What the hell? No, thank you.
I'm surprised you didn't like that one. That was Nutella. I don't have a problem with Nutella.
The chocolate wasn't the problem, the wafer was.
The wafer was quite enjoyable. It almost had like a feel of like a Little Debbie, but it just...
Alright, let's do the cat. It's a puff pastry with a light, airy puff pastry overflowing with rich hazelnut filling.
And no, we are not going to get political. I don't care about any of the presidents. I'm going to tell you right now, it's just another old white person in the White House. That's just how it is. Yeah, I just realized what I said. I'm about to make
No,
a channel.
I meant that.
It looks like a...
Why didn't it come out with that? It like
it's
stuck.
We're not going to get political on this channel. I'm going to get political for 1 second here. It's just going to be, no matter what kind of election it is, no matter who's running, it's another old white person going in the White House. The only time we didn't have some old white dude entering the White House was when Obama was president.
Everything's just falling apart.
Yeah.
No, literally, the back just came off of mine. Oh, excuse me. This one doesn't really have that. There we go. I can't even bite that. What the heck? Yeah, no.
Got it down. I don't know if that's an accomplishment or a punishment.
Probably both. Alright, let's get this last thing out of the way.
Well, still, I don't like getting political. I just see it as one thing and one thing only. It's not an old white dude going into the White House. I still remember when they inducted Obama into the White House. They had us have an entire assembly.
Mm-hmm.
And everybody on my side of where we were sitting bullied the hell out of me. I don't know why.
I don't know either.
Just gonna say this, after that school year, I didn't see him for a while.
What happened? Your demons get a hold of them?
I don't know. I didn't, to be fair, I did not. I didn't have anything to do with it. Don't know where they went. All I know is that we did graduate from there. I saw them there, but that was it. I didn't see them after that.
I could use more chocolate.
Yeah, I'm done. Goodbye. You got the camera?